Hey there, viewers! Burn belly fat fast with these plank variations. A plank helps to burn fat rapidly, largely because it can engage multiple muscles at once. No wonder, it benefits the core strength of your body and boosts your metabolic rate to lose weight. All in all, a plank is an excellent choice to stimulate the whole body. Although basic regular planks are a great way to start your weight loss journey, you can multiply the many benefits of planks, such as flattening your tummy by trying these plank challenging variations. Want to know more? Continue watching this video. Number 1. Forearm plank. Plank is one of the best calorie-burning exercises. A forearm plank is a traditional plank that boosts your weight loss journey. It is the best variation of a plank if you're a beginner. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Get into the push-up position. Step 2. Place your forearms on the ground. Bend elbows to 90 degrees and pitch forward to place your hands and forearms on the floor. Step 3. Distribute your weight evenly on the upper arms, tightening your abs and glutes while keeping your torso straight. Note: put the weight on your back as well. Step 4. Look forward while you're here and hold the position for 10 to 20 seconds initially. Keep adding more seconds to it every time you get into a plank. Step 5. Remember to breathe. Number 2. Reverse plank. If you're planning to try a plank for weight loss, why not try a reverse plank? Reverse planks contract the core muscles and work out the region so as to burn fat. Not just that, the reverse plank also helps you achieve a great posture. This plank variation can tone your body and burn fat. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Sit on the floor with legs stretched out in front of your body. Place your hands behind your hips, slightly wider than your shoulder, with fingers pointed towards your hips. Step 2. Gently press into your palms and lift your hips and torso towards the ceiling until it forms a straight line from head to toe. Step 3. Keep your arms and legs straight and brace your abs, keeping your neck relaxed. Step 4. Hold the pose for 20 to 30 seconds, and then release to the floor slowly. Note: while holding the pose, if your hips begin to sag or drop, lower yourself back to the floor and relax for 10 to 20 seconds. Then try again. Number 3. Walking plank. Walking the plank boosts your metabolism so you burn more calories throughout the day. It can strengthen your core as well as upper and lower muscle groups. A walking plank can fire up every muscle in your body, but to reap its benefits, you need to do it properly. The walking plank strengthens your core, builds endurance, and provides stability. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Start off in a plank position with straight arms and hands directly underneath your shoulders. Step 2. Make sure you're forming a straight line from shoulder to feet. Step 3. Now walk your right hand forward as far as possible. Then bring your left hand to meet it, keeping your hand shoulder width apart. Step 4. Step left hand back to start, then your right hand. Step 5. That's 1 rep. Now alternate. Try to complete 5 steps to the right and then 5 again to the left for 1 set. Number 4. Side plank. This one's a blessing for those who want to lose weight. This plank can help you achieve a good posture and ease of movement to build a strong core and better balance. Because a side plank doesn't put pressure on the lower back or neck, this plank variation is simple but effective. Try side planks to curl those love handles. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Start with the original plank position. Open up your hips and chest towards your left side, first assuming the side plank position. Step 2. Raise your right arm towards the ceiling and let the left palm rest on the floor while supporting the pose. Step 3. Engage your abdominal muscles and keep your torso straight with no sagging or bending. Step 4. Hold the position for 15 to 20 seconds. After that, rotate back to the original position and then repeat on your other side. Number 5. Alternating arm and leg raise. Like all plank variations, the alternating arm and leg raise is an excellent way to strengthen your core and lose weight. This plank belongs to the calisthenic exercise that primarily targets abs, glutes, hip flexors, lower back, obliques, quads, and shoulders. Thus, it works as a perfect exercise for weight loss. Tone up your abs with this plank variation. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Start in a regular plank position with hands shoulder width apart and arms straight. Step 2, keep your abs engaged and raise your right leg off the floor until it's at about hip height. Next, extend your left arm forward at shoulder level. Step 3, at this point, only the left leg and right hand will be in contact with the ground. Step 4, hold the position for a second and bring back the left arm and right leg back to the floor. Step 5, that counts as 1 rep. Repeat with your left leg and right arm, and also aim to complete 2 sets of 10 reps each. Before we move on, a like would be awesome. Number 6, plank jacks. Plank jacks work for all fitness levels, and you don't need a single piece of equipment. You can do plank jacks just about anywhere: home, a hotel room, the gym, you name it. Here's how you can do it. Plank jack side tap. Step 1, start in plank position with your forearms on the ground, shoulder width apart, parallel to one another. Step 2, dig your toes into the ground and lift your butt to where your shoulders line up with your hips. Step 3, draw your navel toward your spine to tighten your abs as you step your right foot out to the right and back to the center. Step 4, repeat with your left leg. Do 8 to 10 reps total. Classic plank jack. Step 1, start in a high plank position with your arms extended directly underneath your shoulders. Step 2, dig your toes into the ground and lift your butt to where your shoulders line up with your hips. Keep your abs tight as you jump both legs out and back to the center. Do 8 to 10 reps. Plank jack to frog. Step 1, start in a high plank position and perform 1 plank jack. Step 2, then lift your hips and hop both legs towards your hands, landing gently on your toes with knees bent. Hop back to the high plank. Do 8 to 10 reps. Plank jack to squat thrust. Step 1, start in a high plank position and perform 1 plank jack. Step 2, then lift your hips and hop both legs towards your hands, landing flat on your feet. Step 3, lift your hands and torso, pause and lower your hands to the mat. Step 4, hop back to high plank, do 8 to 10 reps. Plank jack to squat jump. Step 1, start in a high plank position and perform 1 plank jack. Step 2, then lift your hips and hop both legs towards your hands. Step 3, lift your hands and torso and push off your heels to explode up. Step 4, land flat on your feet in a squat. Return your hands to the floor and hop your legs back into high plank. Do 8 to 10 reps. Number 7, mountain climbers. While the moves sound simple, mountain climbers exercise almost the entire body and raise their heart rate. You can easily add mountain climbers to your morning workout at home or the gym, in a hotel room while you're traveling, or even squeeze in a few in the break room at work. The basic move is great for beginners, but more experienced exercisers can take things up a notch with variations. Mountain climbers are great for building cardio endurance, core strength, and agility. You work several different muscle groups with mountain climbers. It's almost like getting a total body workout with just 1 exercise. Here's how you can do it. Step 1, get into a plank position, making sure to distribute your weight evenly between your hands and your toes. Step 2, check your form. Your hands should be about shoulder width apart, back flat, abs engaged, and head in alignment. Step 3, pull your right knee into your chest as far as you can. Step 4, switch legs, pulling one knee out and bringing the other knee in. Step 5, keep your hips down and run your knees in and out as far and as fast as you can. Alternate inhaling and exhaling with each leg change. What are your favorite plank variations? Share it with us by commenting below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.